In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ads.Txt in Blogger website. If you've encountered an Ads.Txt warning on your blog, don't worry, because this is a common issue and it can be resolved with just a few simple adjustments. I'll guide you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, log in to your Blogger dashboard. Once you're inside, navigate to the Settings section, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. After opening the Settings page, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom area where you'll see a section related to monetization. This is where you can manage features connected to ads and revenue on your blog. Within the Monetization section, you need to enable the available option so that additional settings will appear. Once it's turned on, you'll notice an option for Custom Ads.Txt. Click on this option to open the input field where you can place your Ads.Txt content. Now, go ahead and copy the Ads.Txt text that you previously downloaded or received. This text usually comes from your ad provider and contains important information that verifies your account. After copying it, return to your Blogger settings and paste the entire text into the Custom Ads.Txt field. Make sure everything is pasted correctly without removing or altering any part of the content. After pasting the text, click the Save button to apply your changes. At this point, your Ads.Txt file has been added to your Blogger site. Keep in mind that even after setting this up correctly, the warning or error message may not disappear immediately. In some cases, it can take a few days for the system to recognize the update, and occasionally it may take longer depending on processing times. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.